I've made some new rainbows for my Milsbo cabinet, and I thought you might like to see what they're going to look like in here. The complete truth of the matter is that I want to kind of subtly decorate for Halloween by using kind of just Halloween colors, but I don't want it to be completely obvious where I'm using like little ghosts and pumpkins. So I thought to myself, why not make some rainbows like these, but only in just purples and oranges and blacks? And then I'll have the colors kind of Halloween just hiding in amongst my plants. And so I can be kind of satisfied with having some kind of early decorations out without feeling like, oh man, I've completely jumped the gun because I've lost my mind during quarantine. So let me show you what I've made. Let's just get right in here and get started. This rainbow in the back that you really can't see anymore is one that my daughter made. And I'm going to reach in, get that one out. It's a pretty one. There, that's better light. Really, really pretty. So if you've watched me before, then you know that I love to make these rainbow acrylics. I just call them rainbows, but it's just acrylic with alcohol inks. And I'm going to replace it with this bright orange one that maybe is not subtle at all. Maybe this is completely Halloween and it just looks like a pumpkin back there. But it is bright, so I think it'll be a good one for the back. Yeah, I like that there. And I think I'm going to put one right here, kind of like in the middle of where the Hoya abovada is growing around in a circle. And I think I'm going to put a black and purple one that is like probably my favorite of all of them. Look, my humidity's dropping now that I'm opening the doors. Oh boy, here we go. Here she is. Isn't that beautiful? It kind of almost looks like a spider or something, even though it has the purple in it. But this was just purple and black acrylic alcohol. I'm sorry, alcohol inks in acrylic. And I'm gonna put it right up here. Hang on. Easy now. Break the whole door off of the shelf. Sorry, it's not very easy to film with one hand. Do I love that there? I think it's better with the purple on top there. I might keep that there, I might not. We'll see. What do you think? Feel free to put your comments in the comment section. So orange is kind of hiding back in the back, and then we have this. I love that one. Now for this second shelf down in the back where I have this really bright rainbow, I was thinking about this really dark rainbow I made, which is just black, and then this is a silver alcohol ink. It's actually called a mixative. And I want to see if I can see that at all when I stick it in the back. I think it might be really pretty and a fun way to kind of weight down. What do you think? Yeah. I mean, obviously I can't put it in front of either of these, so I think that's good. Let's find one for right there. So these two I'm thinking about for putting right where this bright one is with pink and gold. My daughter made this rainbow, which is really, really pretty. Good colors, shiny, sparkly gold. And anyway, purple and orange, or this is a purple with a purple mixative, so it's kind of like a shiny, sparkly purple, which I really like. Let's see how that looks. I mean, purple's my favorite, so I'm always gonna love it, no matter where I put it. Let's try the other one and see if that's any better. Also, I should tell you. Oh, I kind of really love that. That's a weird looking one, isn't it? It was kind of a mistake the way that I did it. It was different than the way I normally make my acrylics, but it was a happy mistake. I love those kind of, I just put it there so you can look up through and see how pretty the colors are. I love that. Yeah, I think it's going to be purple and orange on this side. And then we have the bottom shelf. These are the last two acrylics that I have in Halloween colors, and this is black and orange, obviously. Really pretty. And this is the all purple. So I'm gonna get a little stand right there. And we'll try purple, which might not work because I have this Monstera and a purple planter. But like I said, I'm always partial to purple. So there it is from kind of further back. I love that one, so pretty. And I guess we'll try the other one too, just to see which is the more obvious choice. Oh, I think it's purple for sure. So I will save this black and orange one and put it in my windowsill. I have a windowsill above the kitchen sink that is full of plants because I think plants and rainbows are an obvious go together type of thing. And I think that's where I'm gonna put that. I may scooch this back, try to cover that cord. Oh, cords. So let's do an overview. Top shelf we have purple and black. Look, the humidity went down another degree. And orange hiding way in the back, but it's so bright. But I think it's good. You can see it. Here we have purple and orange in front of the Birkin. The black and silver in the way back. And on the bottom, we just have the pretty purple. So it's not like too aggressively Halloween, but I'm getting away with some kind of early Halloween decorating. Let me know what you think in the comments. Be kind and gentle with your words. Hopefully you like it. I think it's fun, something different. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. You all take care. I forgot to add that I would love it if you would check out my Instagram account. It's liquidambar_girl. I have posts on there pretty much daily, sometimes tons of stuff daily in the stories. Also, our website has a lot of really great houseplant information, and I'm always trying to get stuff added there. So that's a good resource if you have questions or just want to check out what we have. And lastly, I have some rainbows, Halloween rainbows, posted in my Etsy shop. So I will have links in the description of this video for my Instagram, for my website, and for my Etsy shop. I hope you all take care.